What it do, y'all? Welcome to the crypto channel 329. Today's video, I'm gonna give you an update about Sincere Oil. Okay, guys. So the old domain had some technical issues, so they had to purchase a new domain. So this platform has a new domain. So if you join the previous domain, right, and if you are struggling to log in, um, not to worry, it's just a new domain, okay, guys? So if you go over to the old domain right here, we can see that this page will pop up. Not this one, the BSCon, but it's loading and eventually will pop up, okay? So this will happen saying that the website cannot be reached, okay? That's because they have a brand new domain. All right, so the link's going to be down in the description. So if you are a member already, don't worry about it. Everything works as normal. All you got to do is just log in and do everything as it's supposed to be. Okay, if you are a new in this platform, okay, over here is where you can register and you can earn up to 8% a day. Okay, guys, they have three plans: 4%, 5%, and 8% daily. All right, so and then over here, each plan has a different minimum and maximum investment, and they all have a referral commission of 5%. And then at the end of the plan, regardless the plan you're going to, you get to select the principal. So if you want to bring the principal back to your wallet, you can do that, and the platform pays Monday to Sunday. Okay, going back to my platform, my dashboard, I mean, okay, over here we can see that I'm rolling with a project. All right, so this is my day number 4, I believe. We can see the project has been running for 11 days right there. Okay, total withdrawal 792,000, total deposit 966,000. Okay, and growing. Okay, over here we can see my active deposit 500 bucks, and so far I withdrew for 40 bucks. Okay, so in order to for you to make a withdrawal, you first have to add your wallets. Okay, so let me see. You have to add your wallets. Okay, you come to profile, then over here is where you're gonna add your wallets. Okay, regardless the wallets that you're gonna go for, you can add your wallets right there. And once you got your wallets, you are good to go. You come over here and you go to withdraw. So we can see that I have 40 bucks right there available to withdraw. You come over here, type in the amount. For some reason, you ask me for the wallet address again, right? So we're gonna get that wallet address right there. Okay, which one is it? This one right here. We're gonna paste the wallet address right there. And then from there, all you gotta do is click process, and that's it. So if you come over here to the dashboard, oh, it didn't go through. I did something wrong. Where is it? This one. Okay, yeah, forgot to select. Okay, so you have to select. All right, so my balance is right there. I didn't select, but now it's selected. So everything's should go through. So click on process, and as you can see, the money is gone. So please wait while your transaction is processing. And that's it. Over here, we can see that you got a pending withdrawal of 40 bucks, and usually it takes a few minutes, and the money will land in your wallets. Okay, so we got the last payment right there. So now all you got to do is just wait for the next one to arrive, and that's it. Okay, essentially, this project still doing its thing, still paying. All right, guys. How long this project will last, we don't know, but while it lasts, we're gonna get that money. All right. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.